The 2020 Ducati Multistrada 1260S Grand Tour. Ducati's Multistrada lineup is widely considered to be among the most capable touring adventure bikes in the world, and the Italian giant ramps up the pressure another notch with its new for 2020 Multistrada 1260S Grand Tour. Top-shelf features and long-distance, globetrotting comfort are the hallmarks of this new bike. It carries the Testastretta DVT engine with over 150 horsepower on tap, so this is far from an all-show, no-go sort of machine. Unique livery and striking graphics complement the typically sensuous lines and curves that define Ducati's look. 2020 Ducati Multistrada 1260S Grand Tour design. In profile, the Grand Tour displays the sexy S-curve that defines the Multistrada family. In spite of its attention to aesthetics, the Multistrada 1260S Grand Tour has an entirely function-driven form that starts out with the typical bird's beak front fairing that projects over the front wheel, even though the real fling control duties fall to a close-fit fender. The fender uprights double as grit guards for the swept area of the inverted inner fork tubes to fend off debris that could otherwise lead to premature fork seal failure. Recessed LED headlights give the visage an angry bird look and split both day and night for maximum two-way visibility, and in a bid to boost nighttime confidence, an inertial measurement unit reads vehicle lean angles to enable a set of cornering lights. A tall but narrow windshield protects the pilot's upper torso with a pair of stock handguards to complete the package, and I'm proud to see the front turn signals married with them in a bid to keep the front end clean. Instrumentation is bundled together in the 5-inch, full-color TFT display screen for a one-stop shop that doubles as an interface for the various ride quality systems that we'll get to shortly. In profile, the GT displays the sexy S-curve that defines the Multistrada family with a tall...
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.